Snap said that it will roll out new capabilities to make it simpler for marketers to develop augmented reality shopping experiences on its Snapchat app. It also stated that it will release a flying camera. This happened during its annual presentation to demonstrate new technologies. In a fresh attempt to build its hardware business, the Santa Monica, California firm launched Pixy. It is a pocket-sized camera that can fly a few feet above its user to shoot images and movies before landing in the palm of the hand. Snap said that Pixie will cost $230 and will be available in the United States and France. The theme of Snap's Partner Summit was Back to Reality, reflecting the company's recent focus on augmented reality. It is a technology that uses computerized graphics to improve pictures, videos, or the sense of being in the real world. Snap will begin providing AR developers with a number of free services, including data storage. Until now, photo filters and lenses had to be basic and little in file size in order to upload rapidly to the app. Developers will be able to construct more complicated AR experiences with greater storage, according to Murphy. He explained that an augmented reality garden, for example, would be able to contain 3D renderings of more flowers and plants. Snap will also introduce Dress Up, a new Snapchat feature that allows users to explore AR shopping filters that allow them to visually try on apparel and accessories. Globally, Snapchat currently has over 600 million monthly users, up from 500 million last year.